Oh, hi guys, it's David again, and now we got to do the 2006 Pontiac Solstice. According, maybe handling will be a little much better now, other than acceleration. So we'll see. I mean, this car should control better, and it's convertible. So one of the cars, I think one of the first cars we had to do with the top down. It's the only car I know of right now. Let's look around the interior. Nice looking, yeah, right there. Back seats, yep. Around the car. Alright, and here we go. Wait, before we go, NOS, yes, and race editor. Well, lack of power, but really good handling though. Except for that part. But this car is not going to lack on handling though. But what it will lack on is acceleration, so. The engine sound is really good. Exhaust notes. Let's see this car going uphill. Alright, going uphill you might want to stay around third gear, because that's where this car really has, or not this car, just maybe the game, really bad timing on when to change gears sometimes. Because sometimes you always hear that high engine note, especially during racing. It slows your car down, and then like that. I mean, sometimes I don't mind that, but during a race I do mind that, especially when I'm losing. So if you happen to crash into a car, you should be able to pick up handling back. And like I said, the only thing lacking is power, and you know, it might the power might get a little bit better, but you'd rather expect better better handling though. So here you go, 0 to 60 in about now. Gonna take about 6 seconds. Whoa, Antonasia. That is about 4 seconds. And that was about 3 seconds. Not the best, but power, let's see its power. And yes, they can go past 140 as usual. Okay, I thought I was about to crash into that. It's easier to go on this part of the lane, because then you can see how much power you can get. And this car, as right now, gets slow. I mean, it's only 143 right now. I mean, right now, speed is increasing because of me going downhill. Other than that, it's really not that fast. At least not as fast as other cars we've tested. Hopefully that can change with the performance. I'm not sure if it will. So average top speed, I'd say it's about 145. See if we go this way. Oh crap, we got a sharp turn, don't we? Okay. Perfect sharp turn. One of the best sharp turns I've taken yet. Well, actually, it's not that sharp, but. Okay. Let's see. This car's got. It's going downhill because I know going up here is uphill. I guess we made a conclusion. This car is only around top speed of 145. It's really kind of disappointment because other cars usually go like 150, I think. Let's see what the performance added on this car would be like. I'll see on the performance level.